Thank you for joining me today for this presentation on incorporating open source software in my company called Grogu Company. So, as you know, we have been researching open source software options to enhance our corporations, and after careful consideration, have selected Linux as open source software for integration. Today, I walk through the process and the service level agreement we have established, and the benefits of use Linux in the company and how we plan to incorporate in the company. So let's start with the service level agreement. Before we proceed, let's take a look in the service level agreement. We have draft with Linux as the service provider. So we have established the purpose of the service, the term, the paying the fees, the intellectual property, the contract, the government law and jurisprudence, all of them considering the IT governance frameworks. So before we have to know what is the Linux. Linux is an open source operating system based on the Linux kernel, serving as the core component that interacts with the hardware and the software application, provide a platform for running programs and managing research. The use of Linux is widely used for various purposes including serving as a server OS, running a website, database, cloud service, and others. The main target audience is is include developers, IT professionals, business, the government seeking cost effectivity, and, and others. Although we have to talk about the Linux offers numerous benefits such as cost saving, security, customization. However, it may require learning curve for new commerce and certain hardware software support may be limited compared to other mainstream operating systems. So here you can see the advantages and disadvantages of using Linux. Although let's explore how we gonna plan to utilize Linux in different aspects on Google Company. Based off that four aspects, first we're gonna serve as server infrastructures. We will use Linux as the operating system for the company. Servers benefiting from its stability, security, cost effectiveness. We're gonna use as a web hosting and application server, hosting company websites and application Linux-based websites like Apache. We're gonna use the cloud infrastructure by leveraging Linux in cloud environment like the Amazon, the Google Cloud Platform, or Azure. And then we're also gonna use as a network infrastructure, incorporating Linux-based network tools and software like IP tables will enable us to manage and secure network traffic effectively. How we gonna incorporate the Linux into the Google company? First, we're gonna begin installing the Linux operation system on our designated servers and workstations, and then we're gonna assess our business requirement to choose a verbally Linux distribution, then align with our needs. Pilot testing will allow us to evaluate its performance before the full deployment, providing support training to our IT staff to ensure they are well equipped to handle Linux-based systems. Documentation will maintain comprehensive documentation of installation, configuration, and maintenance process to ensure the standardized approach and facilitate future troubleshooting. Reviews and updates. You're going to do a routine reviews and update our Linux system to help us to maintain reliability and secure IT within infrastructure. So we evaluate Linux solution. You consider a few key aspects. When the evaluate the open Linux solution to make service agreement and the code governance framework, several key aspects to be considered. So performance uptime, security and compliance, documentation support, vulnerability integration, stability and resource management, licensing, legal compliance, and also change management, update, risk assessment, training, and skill development, audit, compliance report, and then business continues. There's a few of to evaluate the Linux. And now, finally, let's discuss the numerous benefits of incorporating Linux in Google. So the five ones will be cost saving. By utilizing Linux open source network, we can eliminate high license fees. Flexibility Linux customization option allows you to tailor software to specific needs, including overall products. Security Linux active development security experts community ensure quicker detection and resolution of security flaws, providing a more secure IT environment. Community support engaging with the open source community aids in problem solving and knowledge sharing contribution. Also, try always align with the service level agreement and the IT frameworks. Thank you for attention.